Calisthenics is a form of physical exercise that uses your body weight for resistance rather than relying on equipment like dumbbells or machines. It's a great workout option, especially for beginners, because it can be done almost anywhere, doesn't require a gym membership, and gradually builds strength and endurance using simple, functional movements. From push-ups to squats, calisthenics exercises are designed to improve your overall fitness, flexibility, balance, and coordination. In this video, we will break down the basics of calisthenics, provide beginner-friendly exercises, and offer tips on how to get started with a sustainable routine. Benefits of calisthenics. Calisthenics is a great way to exercise because it's easy to do anywhere and doesn't need special equipment. You can do it at home or in a park. It's also affordable since you don't need to pay for a gym. Calisthenics improves strength, flexibility, and helps burn fat while building muscle. It's suitable for all fitness levels. Getting started. Warm-up routine. Warming up is a crucial part of any workout, and calisthenics is no exception. A good warm-up helps prepare your muscles for movement, increases your heart rate, and reduces the risk of injury. Spend 5 to 10 minutes warming up before starting your workout. Here's a simple warm-up routine. Arm circles. Stand with your arms extended out to the sides and make small circles for 30 seconds in each direction. Leg swings. Hold on to something for balance. Swing one leg forward and backward, and then side to side. Do 10 swings in each direction. Jumping jacks. Perform jumping jacks for 30 to 60 seconds to get your heart rate up. Hip rotations. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, place your hands on your hips, and rotate your hips in a circular motion for 30 seconds in each direction. Dynamic stretching. Stretching your muscles through movement, like walking lunges or high knees, rather than holding static positions will help improve mobility. Beginner-friendly calisthenics exercises. Here are some simple but effective calisthenics exercises to get you started. These exercises target major muscle groups and can be easily adjusted for different fitness levels. 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. How to do it. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart and your feet together. Lower your body toward the floor by bending your elbows while keeping your back straight. Push yourself back up to the starting position, keeping your body in a straight line throughout the movement. Tip: if a full push-up is too challenging, try doing knee push-ups. Keep your knees on the ground while performing the same motion. 2. Squats. Squats are excellent for strengthening your legs, glutes, and core. They also improve flexibility in your hips and ankles. How to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointed slightly outward. Lower your body by bending your knees and hips as if sitting in an invisible chair. Go as low as you can while keeping your heels on the ground and your chest up. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Tip: if you're struggling to maintain balance, use a chair or wall for support until you build strength and stability. 3. Plank. The plank is an isometric exercise that targets your core muscles. It helps build stability and endurance in your abs, lower back, and shoulders. How to do it. Start in a push-up position, but with your forearms on the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold this position for as long as possible without letting your hips sag or your back arch. Tip: start by holding the plank for 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the time as you build strength. 4. Lunges. Lunges are great for strengthening your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while improving balance and coordination. How to do it. Stand tall with your feet together. Step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the floor and your back knee nearly touches the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and switch legs. Tip: focus on slow and controlled movements to maintain balance, especially if you're new to lunges. 5. Dips. Dips are an effective exercise for working your triceps, chest, and shoulders. How to do it. Find a sturdy surface, like a bench or chair, to place your hands on. Sit on the edge of the surface with your hands shoulder-width apart and slide your hips off the edge. Lower your body by bending your elbows, and then push yourself back up to the starting position. Tip: keep your feet on the ground and bend your knees for extra support while you build strength. 6. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a cardio-intensive exercise that also works your core, arms, and legs. How to do it. Start in a push-up position with your arms straight and your body in a straight line. Bring one knee toward your chest while keeping the other leg straight, then quickly switch legs. Continue alternating legs in a running motion. Tip: start slow to get the movement down, then gradually increase your speed. Calisthenics workout plan for beginners. Now that you know the basics of each exercise, here's a simple calisthenics workout plan you can follow as a beginner. Perform this workout 2 to 3 times a week, with at least one day of rest in between sessions. Workout plan. 1. Warm up, 5 to 10 minutes, jumping jacks, arm circles, leg swings. 2. Push-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 3. Squats, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. 4. Plank. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, 3 times. 5. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. 6. Dips, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 7. Mountain climbers, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Cool down. After your workout, spend a few minutes cooling down with some light stretching. Focus on the muscles you've just worked, like your chest, legs, and shoulders. Tips for success. Start slow. Don't rush through the exercises. Focus on proper form and control, even if that means doing fewer reps or taking longer breaks. Proper form ensures that you engage the right muscles and prevent unnecessary strain on your body. By starting slow, you're giving your body the time it needs to learn the movements correctly and build a strong foundation for future progress. This approach not only helps you avoid injuries, but also allows you to gradually build strength, flexibility, and endurance. Remember, it's not about how fast you complete the exercise, but how well you do it. Scaling up. As you gain strength and confidence with the basics, you can start to level up your calisthenics workouts. One way is by increasing the number of repetitions and sets for each exercise. You can also try more advanced variations, like moving from knee push-ups to standard push-ups. Tempo training, which involves slowing down movements to increase muscle tension, is another method. Finally, combining exercises, such as squats with lunges, can make your routine more challenging and engaging. In conclusion, calisthenics is a versatile, accessible, and effective workout option, especially for beginners. With minimal equipment, you can build strength, flexibility, and endurance in a way that's functional and beneficial for everyday life. Start with simple exercises, focus on proper form, and gradually progress as you get stronger. With consistency and dedication, you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve with calisthenics. For more tips and updates, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay motivated on your fitness journey. Thank you. Also check out this video